wear black shoes and we wear black belts. What's your thought on that?
I think they're wearing too much black. I think they should look at other colors. I have a partner here. And could you just call him over? Both of us are going to sing this
Yes,
song.
how about you do this up front? So everybody can see. Yeah.
We wear cool suits, we wear shiny shoes, we're the Blackberry Boys. Oh yeah, we're the Blackberry Boys.
Jalandhar, Punjab. He's spent a good part of his life in Sweden and he absolutely is ruling the Bollywood scene at the moment. His band gave us a brilliant brand of fusion music which they made entirely their own. Songs like Wo Chali and Kya Surat Hai are very, very popular even today. Everyone, put your hands together for Nina Sridhar.
All evening. What I see, that's what I was talking about. I'm gonna go back to the line. I'm never gonna forget the line now. I did it.
That's the first time I've seen that much enthusiasm with the audience over here. Okay, so Deepika, you were a part of the launch this morning, the press launch. What are your thoughts on the beautiful torch?
First of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I honestly don't think I think it was the perfect match because I've been a BlackBerry Bold user ever since it launched in the market. And I couldn't wait for the torch to launch because that would be the next obvious step for me to switch from this to that. And then I got a call from them asking me if I'd launch this. Sorry?
Somebody's asking for your PIN number. No, thank you very much. So, tell me, what is your favorite feature, favorite BlackBerry feature, generally?
You just asked me my PIN.
PIN number, and we said no, unless you'd like to give it.
Okay, so if he wasn't here, I would have said Messenger. But since he's here now, I'll say the internet.
The internet, okay.
I'll tell you, I think from the torch, I think what I really like about their new features is the fact that one, it's a slide phone, but it's a touch screen and I still have the keypad to play around with. I think what also makes it interesting is the new search application that they have. Absolutely anything that you're searching for, looking for, you just type that in and you get all your information just with the click of one button. So I think that makes it very cool. I think also the fact that because I tweet a lot, I'm on Facebook and BlackBerry Messenger. Now I don't have to go into each of these applications every time. If there's an alert, it just comes up on my screen. And all three of them are just under one category. I don't have to keep going into each one of them. So I think it makes my life a lot simpler.
Okay, now that's one very tech-savvy lady. How about some... एक बार तालियां हो जाए, सीटी हो जाए. And you know, a little while earlier I was asking all the lovely people here what their biggest BlackBerry blunder was. Now I'm sure you also had one. We all had one at some point or another. So which is your biggest BlackBerry blunder? Did you send a wrong text like Arbaz did?
You have?
Yes. It it went to Malaika instead of somebody else. And can I tell you, it said, I love you somewhere in it. Yeah.
I don't think so.
Never sent a text to the wrong person?
Please bite your tongue, otherwise it's going to happen right now. The minute I go back to my
biting my tongue. You're lucky you haven't. I've done that plenty of times, and damage control is very difficult. Okay, is there any different way that you used your BlackBerry? I'm going to be asking the audience also in a little while, but is there some unusual way that you've used the BlackBerry, which is not a regular, normal use? Like, for example, the script for this evening. I love the BlackBerry keypad. It's just so comfortable. I wrote the entire script on my BlackBerry. So normally I sit on my laptop and do it. So this time I tried something different. It was very comfortable.
I'll tell you how I use it. In all my films, very important.
You know what that means? Like Malaika, she does not let go of her phone, even for when she's in the middle of a shot. She's the BlackBerry girl. Looking quite like one tonight. Thank you so much, Deepika.
Thank you
very much. Thank you. It's absolutely necessary, and it's over to you. Neeraj Sridhar.
Okay, the next song I'd like to dedicate to our boss.
We wear cool, we wear black suits, we wear shiny shoes. Alright. Hang on. I had to just make a small modification. I had to say black for BlackBerry.